Hi, it's 24th of June, no? Today. 24th June 2011. As we are starting off, I think we got about 1500 odd .elf files, correct? Out of which, I don't know how many of them are correct or how many of them, as Sangeeta had pointed out today morning, are wrong. Which is what you are going to take at now onwards. I think about 270 to 300 have been opened. Okay, this is just set-top boxes which are now put in their houses. I asked you guys to focus on two things for getting the links. One is focus on the other 1200, 1300 where you got .elf files already created, and next is, that is 1A. 1B is focus on the Gmail IDs which have bounced. Okay, I don't know how many of you are doing that. Okay, now the reason I wanted to call this meeting is, as we have just started connecting with people, there are a few channels which I have opened automatically. Okay, one is, everybody in the world uses Facebook. Okay, I mean Asha and Satish and Sangeeta must be the only people, Gopal must be the only people who do not use Facebook. So if it's not, please, there is a wall we have, a Facebook wall, okay, which anybody and everybody can take a look at. So I use only one application. That one application is called Twitter. Okay, Twitter will automatically update with our Facebook wall. It will update with our LinkedIn updates. It goes to Google Buzz. You heard of Google Buzz? It goes to Google Buzz and it goes to so many other applications. Basically 3-4 applications it goes to. So messages which are there for the public, general message for the public, either it will be there on our website. See, our website will have documents which will be needed for the public in NB. Okay, our internal documents, which are, let's say for example, brokerage structures or whatever, it's basically 4 parts. Documents for the public will be in NB. Documents and materials for internal consumption would be in B2B. Messages which are meant for the public, general messages, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line messages on some new product or whatever, that will be in Twitter, and the Twitter in turn will integrate with Facebook, with Google Buzz, all that, right? Internal messages which are there for us, only for our consumption, would be there in SMS. So again repeating, only 4 kinds of communication we have. All materials and presentations for the world, materials, presentations, for photo albums, videos, whatever it is, will be there in NB, right? All such materials only for internal consumption would be in B2B, I think in sheet G or sheet H. All 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line messages for public, instead of not materials, messages, 1 or 2 messages, thought for the day, whatever, would be there in all these. I will just post it here, it will automatically get updated everywhere. Okay, messages and 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line messages internally will be there in this file called SMS. I am sure that you guys have been seeing the file SMS. So I believe there are a few things which I have posted about. I think one is about people needing to come on time and using that time effectively. I might not, this thing is, the disclaimer is, I might not be using my time very effectively, but I think I work longer than you guys, yeah. So you need to excuse me. For example, I know that I spent at least about 1.5 hours on doing something which perhaps was silly, but I wanted to understand that technology first, and that was Animoto, no? I spent about 1.5 hours in the afternoon understanding a technology called Animoto. You guys, in your free time tomorrow, tomorrow, day after, can look at that. Our 400 odd photos squeezed into a video with the music, and you know how the technology works. As the photos change, the music changes. I mean, based on the beats, number 1. Number 2, the music is there, the music shows a zoom sound, no? The photo automatically zooms, and vice versa, something like that. It's so beautifully synchronized. I mean, when you see the video, you will feel the synchronicity. See, it's always easy to create a collage of photos, you know, collage, no? Set of photos, and play some background music. Like you have your, I used to remember all Madhave videos and all. In my Madhave was like that only. No sound and all. Some video was there, and in there some religious music, something like that. There is no synchronization between what is happening on screen and at the back. So it used to look stupid. But this is beautiful. So you guys can check out. YouTube may have. So I wanted to test out the technology. That is why I spent time in the afternoon today on that. However, these 4 things I have told you. What are the various things we have discussed here in SMS? Just to, I'm sure that people have been seeing it. Obviously, don't spend all your time only sitting on the SMS. It's just for seeing 1 or 2 times a day or 3 times a day at max for internal communication. Same thing with SAMI also. I was just telling Gopal this. Well, SAMI is there for you guys to look at, to see, to work out your course correction. It is like what I used to do in my exam. I was just telling Gopal that example. I used to write my exam but did not know anything about questions and answers and all. So what did I used to do? Look at the question paper for half the time. Answer gottilla. And the best part which I did is, I used to look at the question paper and the best part is, I used to remember all the questions I used to look, and in the answer, answer has to be big, okay? But at the beginning of the answer, the question itself will be there in the statement. At the end of the answer, for example, why was Harshavardhana a great king? Something like that. Harshavardhana was a great king will be there at the beginning of this thing. In the middle of the page also Harsha, yes, you are right, Harshavardhana was a great king. And also, so that covers half the answer, no? So that is exactly what is happening today. SAMI was being looked at all the time. As if SAMI is the, Ravin, don't do what it. If you keep seeing SAMI, will you get your clicks? You won't, no? So please work on the clicks. I think we are in a very bad shape. Shweta, Gopal, Asha, Shinjo and Junaid, we really are in a bad shape. I don't think that we still have got traction. There is the next thing which I am going to do, which is from tomorrow, which is why I think it is better for me to send you guys out, which is, I have not been seeing any mail communication at all from you people to the people you have called. I have shown you earlier that status 1 and int 1 to int 10. I would want to start implementing that so that we exactly know how many interactions have happened amongst people. That is something which I have to work on. I have to work on your group mails. I have to work on loading those Excel files out there. So a lot of work is there, which is getting delayed only at my end because suddenly some issues have come up in the form of the log file and all. By the way, that log file issue which Gopal pointed out, as I said, he will be handling it. So what are the things we have discussed in our SMS? One is people need to come on time. One is, I think there is a message on not entertaining people unnecessarily. I know which I'm sure you guys know which people I'm referring to. Okay. As long as Ganesh comes in for IT work, that's fine. But I don't think we should entertain anybody. And what happens is, as soon as they go out somewhere, people come in. So I am fairly upset about that. So that's something you need to handle. I put that in that my messages. I think there is what are the other messages? I think I revised the targets to 80. And in the afternoon, I remember at 1:40. In fact, I was feeling so happy for her. I wanted to actually. My kid does this, and I wanted to do to Asha, and I did actually to Asha. I was doing like this to her. Hey, look, my favorite leader has become. Then I realized, poor thing, she herself came and told me. Whether she understood it and told her, without understanding she came and told, I don't know that. I don't know. But all I know is that she herself said, yeah, there is a mistake there. These files are only created today. I don't know anything about them. How come the second column is blank? Then we realized that all 125T was not linked properly. So all the records which were showing 125T are the ones. Fair enough. We will discuss that later. But thanks for your tip, yeah. Fair enough. But thanks for your tip. So we'll handle that. So that brought you down to whatever levels. So that thing is taken back by me. Okay. But on a serious note, I think we are fairly in a very, very behind our targets or our need. As I said, no, because Shweta is moving from Monday onwards definitely to another role where we would need to actually start getting revenues in. Till now, whatever you're doing is just but connection with our customers is going to happen through this. So I wanted to mention this. और क्या SMS में था messages? One was about 80. Then one was about some eye checkup, whatever it is, whatever communication I get, I put it in here. But I have not seen people starting to use this internal Facebook. I would encourage you guys to do that. For example, I put up a question in the morning, which there will be no response from anyone. How many records have we entered with vehicle insurance details? Rough idea, I just wanted to know from each of you guys. No, absolutely all quite on the western front there. Fair enough. You can see it. I'm not saying that one should give the rest. Again, thumb rule, please. SAMI need not be opened and seen more than once or twice a day. Of course, you can keep it with you. You can keep it open on a side here. I'm not saying no to that. But just seeing SAMI doesn't help at all. So one is that. Second is, as far as SMS is concerned, you can just see it once or twice a day. I mean, I'm not expecting immediate responses. And if you guys have got any concerns, any feedback, anything, I mean, please use SMS. So I think that's about it. Last point which I wanted to mention to you guys was on tomorrow. How do we handle tomorrow? What's your advice? Can somebody say something please? What's the advice as far as tomorrow is concerned? On one hand, I have a problem on our targets. On the other hand, I also want you guys to do training. Even at this stage, I go for training here. I went for a cloud training today morning. Found it very useful. इतना बुढ़ा होके मैं ट्रेनिंग जाता हूँ. So I'm sure as youngsters, you guys also need to do training. So how do we handle that? Is something which I'm very confused on, for the simple reason that if targets happen, if numbers happen, I don't have a problem. But numbers are just not happening. They're not even happening to 30-40% of what we need to do. And I'll give the same analogy of, please don't mistake me, I'm not looking at you guys as dogs, but I do that to a dog, which is basically, I lift the bone here, it is not able to leap. So, and that's what I did, 100 I gave very far off. So I made it 80 also, and still people are finding it difficult. I mean, made it 80 so that people can leap and do that. And that's why my heart leapt with joy when I saw 62. I mean, it was short-lived though. Okay. So we need to do something about your targets. I really do not know how you handle that sales thing. Any ideas people have on that before I put in my ideas? No, forget, but why should ideas come from me? Yeah? I would want to send the 3 of you guys for the training program. But what is it? What is quid pro quo? You asked what is quid pro quo? Huh? Quid pro quo is nothing but, in the positive way, tit for tat. I give you this, what do you give me? I give you this training program, what do you give me? I exchange, quid pro quo is where India and Pakistan exchange prisoners. I give you 5 prisoners of war, you give me 3 prisoners of war. Quid pro quo means that. Okay? So, you go for the training program, but what is it that I get in return? Don't say I will give you one nice cake baked at home and all. I don't want that. I'm saying what do you give in terms of our business? Anybody has any ideas?
I told you that.
Which is what? Which is what is it?
This week I don't think I'll be able to because
That's okay. That's okay. No. Shweta, 1 second. Let's talk for the 3 of you guys together. Let's tell ki generally this is what we can do and this is what we will do. Should I put it off before you guys discuss about quid pro quo and then you can carry on?